Anyway, before video you should learn the project schedule and stuffing. What are the things we can have in a project schedule and how activity we can do in a project scheduling and stuffing. In your next topic is overall schedule, how to find out the overall scheduling in the project schedule or the project. In next one is overall scheduling. In your overall scheduling, we should how to find out the overall scheduling. It means the overall scheduling for the project, it can be obtained using the effort as the function. Effort in your function or project, how effort we can given. This function designed from the data will be available in a fast similar project. That one we can find out in a overall scheduling. In your overall scheduling, we can found the duration of month is estimated to terms of month. How we can calculate it? That overall scheduling, we can use a COCOMO model equation we can use. Then how to find out the estimated terms of the month means m is equal to 4.1 e of 0.36. This equation we can use to find out the overall schedule, how month we can use and overall resources we can take on to finish the project. We can find out in this equation. Then in your COCOMO model, then one more equation or effort estimation will be we can do in overall scheduling. Which equation we can use means m is equal to 2.5 e of 3.38. E is the effort and m is the month. This we can use to find out the overall schedule we can take on to finish the project. Then in form of equation is clear, the schedule is not entirely depending upon the effort or estimate. It is only being the scheduling or obtain the manner. It is not fixed. Then it will be, we can use the some guidelines to finishing. In stuffing level is not changed to continuously. When we can project and approximation of the curve are used, that time in peak time we can during the code and facing and leaving the people to integration of people testing. If we can consider the designs or analyze the build and test the phases. In your analyze the phases, we can use the three measures of phases we can use. How to measure means we can use a project hit like this, means this one is the first we can design the project. This one is the designing, and next we can build the project. Next we should build, and what are the project we build, next step is test the project or testing the project. It means we can like this, designing, then build, and we should testing the project. This one is the peak time. This time only we should finish the project. That one we can call it as the peak time or peak team size we can consider. In your manpower ramp up, the typical project we can consider as a three major phases. What are the three major phases we can use? Design, build, and test. First we should go for the design. First we can take a project and we can design what are the basic we can do, web based or Java based or C based project. We can first we should design, then we can build the project, and what are the project we build, we can test the project. These three major phases we can see in the project scheduling. Next topic is quality planning. First we can quality planning. What is quality planning? Quality planning means we can finish the project. First we can design, next we can build, and next we can test the project. We can testing, we can find out the quality of project. We can find out this project is good or not, this cost or this schedule to finish the project means this one is the worth for us or not. That one we can find out in a quality planning. In your quality planning is the set of the quality is related activities to achieve the quality. It means that one is the goal, quality and cost and schedule. This goal we can use to find out the, or we can do the project. That one is the goal. The plan to quality is means first we can understand the direct the project will be used or remove the any middle of the information, or we can any updation we can do in a project. That one we can check it in a quality planning. In your quality planning, software development is highly people oriented activity. It is some error will be occur sometimes, and software project will be start, no defect will be come in a project, and we should finish neatly. That one is the main goal of this quality planning. Any defect or any software virus will be occur in a middle. That one we can solve the quality, and we can do do for give the best quality of project to do the quality planning. During the transformation from the user need the software to, it is satisfy these needs, are satisfied with the user or client. That one is the main important. Then defect are injected to the transformation activities undertaken. The ingestion stage are primarily the requirement specification, the high level design and detailed design, and coding purpose we can use to find out the quality. How to find out the quality? First, high level design they will do and find out the quality, and detailed design to find out the quality, and coding also we can use to find out the quality. We can check. That one is the quality planning. In your quality planning, it is a high quality software we can use to deliver, means it is a remote through the quality control. Quality control also very important. Is activity defect will be there, means that time we can remove the include requirement, and we can review and design review, code review, testing, integration testing, system testing, these acceptance testing, these many types of testing we can do and find out the quality in the project. In your what type of quality we can check, what are the requirement review we can have, means design review, requirement review, coding review, unit testing, integration testing, system testing, and acceptance testing. These type of methods we can use to find out the quality planning. In your quality planning we can have one picture. That one is requirement analysis and R, and design and R, and coding and R and UT and ITST and last one is AT. This we can find out the quality. This one is the development process. This one is the development process we can do in here. This one is the requirement. What are the requirement we have? R means this one is the removal. If you want to remove the project or code or equipment, that one we can remove it till here. Then R means removal, and UT means unit testing. IT means integration testing. ST, what is ST? ST is system testing. And last one AT means acceptance testing. This one we should do and find out the quality. In our first we can develop the development process, and what are the requirement have, that one we can requirement analysis. Then we want to remove the information, means that time we can remove here only. Then we can design, then we can got a error, means we can remove here. We should write a code, and error will be occur, means here also we can remove the information. And finally we finish the coding. That time we can, what are the testing method we can use? UT, IT, ST, AT. This testing method we can use to check the quality or quality control. How to control the quality? It means we can use the UT, IT, ST, AT. This technique we can use to find out the quality. What is UT? Unit testing. IT integration testing. ST system testing. AT acceptance testing we can do to find out the quality testing. Thank you.